Here are some new updates on Exness, and nobody is really getting to know them yet. I'm about to show them to you on the app right now. This is my dashboard over here. A quick one. Now, if you want to open a new account, all right, you can just tap over here and you're going to see an option to either switch between your accounts or open a new account. By opening a new account, it simply refers to you trying to open a trading account, not a fresh new account. You are allowed to have multiple accounts within the same, general account. When I say general account, I mean the same email address that you use to open an account. You are allowed to open different accounts. So let's say I want to go with a standard account. I'll just tap on continue over here. Then I chose my leverage. All right, I can go with even 1:2 unlimited, or 1:2 2,000, or 1:1,000. Right. So once I'm okay with this, I'll just go back and maybe give this account a name. Let's say high risk. So I'm using this opportunity to also show you how you can create an account in your local currency as well. All right. So I'm naming it high, risk. Now the currency, I'm going to change it to Ghana cedis over here. So let me do that quickly. I'm going to search through the list over here and see where I can see my Ghana cedis. Okay, Ghanaian cedis right here. So I'll tap on it, and yes, I'll just tap on continue and my account will be created after I, give it a password. So let me just give a random password over here, since I'm not using this account for anything. It's just a tutorial. All right, so my account is created successfully, and you can see it is right here. All right, now the next thing that I want to show you is when you come to the trade button at the down over here, this one over here, when you tap on it, you'll see some cool features over there. Let's go there and see. Now you see at the top over here, this is my account, the one that I just created right now, because it is 00. Now if I want to deposit or do any other thing, I can just tap over here, and you're going to see the option to deposit, transfer money between your accounts, or to transfer money to another person. And you also have the option to withdraw, do settings, switch accounts, and even this place you can equally open a new account over here or switch between accounts. So let's say I want to switch back to my dollar account. I can just come here and select this, and that is it. All right, it's very simple. So these are the updates available on Exness right now, and I think they are very cool things to do. I mean, the design, the UI is very good, user interface is very good right now. And of course, if you don't have an account with Exness, or you are looking for a broker to trade with, then check out the link in the video description and create an account with Exness today. Start trading the assets that you love based on the best broker today. I'll see you in the next video, and it's a bye.